It's the final piece of the jigsaw. ABB has long been a global leader in the industrial automation business. Now, by pairing with B&R's innovative products and solutions, the company says it's closing a historic gap to deliver an unmatched, comprehensive offering for machine and factory automation.
Effectively, we'll become a powerhouse, one-stop shop that is basically unrivaled in the industry, because there is no one who would have the PLC, the drives, the motors, the robots, the distributed control system, and yet these are the key automation ingredients, along with sensors and analyzers that we also already have in ABB that form automation solutions.
ABB already has well-known leading solutions in the advanced robotics, drives, control systems, sensors and software that run a modern factory. What B&R adds is expertise in software-based open architecture solutions, in particular a type of digital computer called a programmable logic controller, or PLC, which is used to automate manufacturing processes like assembly lines or groups of robots. It means ABB's solutions now span the entire automation spectrum. Following on from the commercial launch of ABB Ability, which brings all of ABB's digital solutions together under one offer, it means the company is now uniquely positioned to seize the opportunities of the fourth industrial revolution.
With Beneke and Reiner, we're closing that gap. We bring in the IoT solutions of B&R, we bring in the application software suite, we bring in all the capabilities that they have in Automation Studio to design and rapid install the solutions in the industry. So it's a perfect match also from a digital perspective. Together, we will have an unmatched portfolio on digitalization for our customers in the fourth industrial revolution.
The complementarity offered by B&R makes this one of the most significant acquisitions in ABB's recent history, and B&R's headquarters in Austria will now become ABB's global centre for machine and factory automation, unlocking value for customers and writing the future of industrial digitalization.
We live in the age of a digital revolution, and we listen every day a lot of words like virtual engineering, digital manufacturing, industrial Internet of Things, and our people are very involved in this technology development. So the main areas of our simulation technologies are crashworthiness, safety, soil and crop modeling, ergonomics, fuel consumption, and finally virtual reality.
We use virtual reality for modeling the tractor or the industrial machine that for the moment does not exist. With the help of virtual reality, we are able to enter in a machine that is not yet existing.
With this technology, we try to reduce the number of physical prototypes that we have to build by building as many virtual prototypes as possible. We try to optimize our design in the virtual stage by doing as much testing as we can before we go to that physical prototype. Therefore, we can really optimize it and try out as many design options as possible.
Hi, Gennaro.
So let's walk through this transmission a little bit. So you can see we have the final drive here on the left. You can see the hydraulic motor up here. And we can make sure that we have a tool clearance to where we need to get to by grabbing the tool.
In the virtual reality room, we use collaboration tools in order to share a solution between several teams. So we use the digital representation of the model of the vehicle, which is called a digital mock-up. In this way, the people can share the same solution and can work together without being physically in the same location.
And that's everything I wanted to show you. Thank you, Gennaro.
Thank you, Andrew.
So a little while ago, I showed you a demonstration using our tracking system to walk around and pull apart a virtual components. This allows the user to really get an understanding of the space claim of all these components, of any clearance or interference issues that may exist there. And so you can pull it apart and get an understanding of kind of the overall size and overall structure of the machine. It's much different seeing it that way than seeing it 2D on a computer screen.
You have seen that to run all complex simulation, we need high performance computing. Today we have a network of high performance computing of about 2,000 cores. We have several HPC servers all around the world in the different regions.
For me, it's very exciting is stay in contact with humans, with people. Understand their needs, what is comfortable for them, and so help them stay well inside the product. And for this reason, I interview people, I make questionnaires, I go with them in fields and really drive with them and taste the product like they do. And so, making this experience, I'm able to interpolate the information and reproduce in my virtual world.
The new digital technologies will transform the way we think, we design and we produce our product. This technology will require new skills, a new job, but our people are already prepared for this.
Brazil grows more sugarcane than any other country in the world. However, every year about 4% of the crop is lost as young plants are run over and the soil is compacted by trucks and tractors.
Hoje existem estudos que dizem que a perca de produtividade no canavial, se você fizer a operação com pisoteio, é na casa das 10 toneladas por hectare.
Now Volvo Trucks is testing a self-steering truck that makes it possible to reduce the losses and provide bigger harvests.
This technology works by uploading the maps of the plantation lines in the truck, and then with these maps on, it avoids the trampling of the plantation lines.
The position is maintained using accurate GPS data. Highly sensitive gyroscopes ensure that not just the front wheels but the entire truck is controlled with great precision. Doing exactly the same thing manually again and again while keeping the high level of precision throughout a complete shift is very difficult. Today the driver is facing the challenge of maintaining the same speed as the harvester, while at the same time keeping a watchful eye on his surroundings and also concentrating on steering his truck with the required precision. Volvo's solution opens the door to higher productivity, underlining the important role of the driver and promoting a better working environment for a safer and more efficient execution.